Welcome to Tiny Bites. Here's your host, citizen scientist in neurology, neuroplasticity, and positive psychology, Sandy Weaver.
When was the last time you looked up in the sky and saw the Milky Way and about 1 billion stars? For me, it doesn't happen often. I've lived in large cities my whole adult life where there's so much light pouring into the sky that only a smattering of stars and a planet or two are bright enough to be seen. Only in the darkness can you see the stars. And that's a good metaphor for life too, but maybe not the way you think. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day doing of things. Things you do all the time, things that need to be done, things that others expect you to do, things you get paid to do, all the things. When you're caught up in routine, it's easy to miss the bright stars of opportunity and delight that are vying for your attention. They are there just like the stars in the night sky. They don't disappear just because you can't see them. Sometimes I plan trips to places where the stars are still easy to see. And maybe sometimes you could plan a day or a few minutes in a day to consider the little everyday delights around you, too.
Subscribe to the podcast and share it with your friends. And there's lots more at centerforworkplacehappiness.com. Here's to your well-being, one tiny bite at a time.